Oh, okay.
Okay, we're gonna go walk.
Wanna go for a walk?
Too funny.
You gonna go walking with your dad? Look at him. You're gonna have to get him walking out. That would be a good one for America's Funniest Home Videos.
Happy camper.
No.
Can you move that box? Somebody?
Yep.
Go.
Are you gonna go walking with your dad?
People are gonna wonder what's wrong with him on the street.
You got all moped. Put on the slippers. Put on the slippers.
I can't.
Oh, too late. We'll just get him close up.
I don't.
Watch in the window.